Okay, so today's lesson we're going to do oral. Maybe we'll do a little bit more oral lah. Okay. So visual text and comprehension, we will go through a little bit faster. Shall we? Then we have more time for the oral part. So visual text. Visual text. You remember? Okay. So you need to look at the different parts of the text, of course. Look at the title first. New Body Mind Museum, right? At 45.6. This is the address. It's got the address here. These are the details, the day and the time slots. Of course, here there is a little note. Last admission is 1 hour before closing time. I'm sure there's going to be a question on this. World-class museum experience for people, all ages, right? Unique interactive journey under your skin, right? Immerse yourself, gain amazing insights. So it's eye-opener and it's extraordinary. Body Mind is a life changer. And so these are the various details. Notes, 90% left exhibition inspired to live healthier lifestyle of attendance. That means people who attended, right, this museum, the presentation of museum opening. 6 months after visiting Body Mind, 12 stop smoking, 20% consume less alcohol, 25% exercise. Sorry. So this is a life changer, will change your life. So these are the kind of statistics and evidence to show that it does make a difference in a significant number of people who have visited this museum. Okay. Ticket information, right? Purchase in advance online or on the day of a visit at the box office. Okay. And then there's discounted prices if it's online. All right. And when can you book your tickets online? Up till the day before your intended visit. In other words, the day before your intended visit. Okay, it must be at least the day before, 1 day before you visit the museum. Okay, anytime until 1 day before. Then you have the group discounts. Okay, and these are the various discounts. Okay, or various prices. Group discounts available online, only online for groups of 10 people or more. Okay, and how to book online? These are the ways. bodymind.wow, right? Book now online, bodymind.wow. Telephone. This is a telephone, right? This must be a telephone. Telephone. It looks like a telephone, right? Maybe you can book on the telephone. Okay, over telephone. What the visitors say. So these are what the visitors say, right? Stephanie, mother of three, Sri is a student, Raja is a journalist. Okay. Is there any other things, any other fine prints adapted from Body Worlds? Okay, so this is from Body Worlds itself. These are the endorsements, that the reviews, positive reviews. Okay, so what is the museum about? Right, interactive journey under your skin. In other words, to explore the human body within the skin itself, right? Gain amazing insights into the body and mind, right? Body and mind. And then the lifestyle choices, effects of lifestyle choices on our health. So the lifestyle choices is whether to smoke or not to smoke, how much alcohol to drink, exercise. You exercise regularly? How much do you exercise, right? And also the diet. So these are all lifestyle choices, right? That's why life changer lifestyle choices. It's fun, provocative, educational, endlessly fascinating. Okay, and you can pick up a Now, an audio guide to enhance your visit, complimentary audio guide. So in other words, maybe some little piece of gadget with headphones, and then you can actually go from exhibit to exhibit and learn more details about each one. Okay, right. So that's it. We are ready to answer the questions, right? So number one, what's the answer for number one? Body mind is what? Is it an exhibition? Is it a course? Um, hold on first, huh? Is it an exhibition? Is it a course? Is it a journey, or is it a performance? So, yeah, a lot of you have given your answers. Thank you very much. Brian, Niall, Yancy, Galen, Ian, Tommy, Yashika. 7 of you. Okay, is there anybody waiting outside? Oh, there's somebody waiting. Keith is waiting. Okay. So there are now 13 of you. Hi, Keith. Hello. We're going through the number one of the graphic, the visual comprehension. All right. So all of you, those of you have given, yes, 7 of you. This will be it's an exhibition. Okay. It's an exhibition. Next one. The main aim of the brochure is to do what? Advertise special offers, help people change, encourage people to visit, or inform people about their bodies. Definitely, it does inform people about their bodies, right? Right? A little bit. But what is the main aim? It is, inform people a little bit about their bodies. It is to encourage people so that they will visit the museum. Right? Okay. That's B. Sorry, C. Yeah. So the 3 of you have given the answers, right? I'm going a little bit faster today because we want to spend more time on the oral, right? 3, to get the best discounted price, Chan family of 4 should buy their tickets. Where? The best discounted price. I told you it's going to come out, right? Yes. So in advance and online. Okay, in advance and online. On the day of the visit, cannot, because that's the only way you can enter or get a ticket is at the box office on the day of the visit itself. So it's got to be in advance online. One day, at least one day. Okay, at least one day in advance. But of course, you can book a week in advance if you want to. Okay. You see, there's a telephone, there's a telephone number, but then it's more online rather than by telephone. Next one. Lucy and friend would like to visit Body Mind on Friday evening. They should arrive latest by what time? Number 4. Yes. So where is the timing? The time. Here. The time is all here. Okay. It's here. Right? So the question is on Friday evening. Okay, Friday evening. That's Friday, right? Until 9 p.m. The latest should come is what? 1 hour before closing time. So the answer is, right, 8 p.m. C. Right? Okay, so you remember this part here. Last admission is 1 hour before. I told you there's going to be a question on this. Okay, next. Angela, who is age 17, wants to visit Body Mind today. She will pay what? How much at the box office? 17 years old. Okay, and it's today. So in other words, no online. It's got to be only via the box office. Okay. So she's 17 years old. 16 to 17 years old on the day itself, so it's to be $28, right? So number 5 will be $28. Okay, that's how we calculate and see, right? 17 years old. This is here. 17 years old is here, right? And on the day itself, you can only buy it in the box office. It does mention, right? Column there on the day itself. Next question. Main objective of body mind. What is the main objective? It is, what's the main objective of the exhibit? Is it to provide interactive experience for people? Yeah, it makes it enjoyable, but that's not the main objective, right? Is it to spark curiosity and awe in every visitor? No. Heal sick people 6 months? No, that's too much already. That's too much. It's more they inform people about how our lifestyle choices affect the health, right? Right, you can see here, immerse yourself, gain amazing insight, see the effects of that our lifestyle choices have on our health. The body mind is a life changer. Okay, and that's why they highlight all the life-changing experiences of these people, the people who have visited the exhibition in the past. Okay, so inform people how lifestyle choices affect their health. Okay, I think another 2 questions. Some of the information are facts, others are opinions. Which of the following information is a fact? Which of the following is a fact? So there's only one fact. Okay. So people will understand the bodies more after visiting the museum. Best gifts can be bought at the shop, over 47. Audio will be enhanced visit. So enhanced, that's an opinion, right? We'll understand their bodies more after visiting the museum. This is also a kind of like an objective quote, not a fact. Best gifts, this one is also an opinion. There's an evaluation. Now this is a figure, right? So the answer is C. Okay, that's a fact. And the last question, which of the following statements is not true? Not true, right? In other words, there are 3 statements which are true. So you can always ask yourself, oh, this is not true. That means there are 3 statements that are true. I must look for the one that is not true. Okay, maybe you have even to talk to yourself about it. Shop is open to all members of the public. Of course, that is true. Opening hours are the same every day. Oh, this is not right, because we can see here, opening hours, they are not the same. Okay, Sunday to Thursday is 9:30 a.m., 7 p.m., Friday, Saturday. Weekends, there is another set of time slots. So it is B. But to check, majority of people were keen to make a positive change. Yes, majority of people were keen to make positive change. Okay, they were inspired to live healthier lifestyles. 90%. That is a majority, indeed, big majority. Entrance fee is free for children aged 5 and below. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Entrance fee is free for children aged 5 and below. Can you see here? Children 6 to 15. Right? Young children 0 to 5 years, free. Free. So this is correct. So only B is untrue. Right? So these are the answers to the various parts. Comprehension cloze. Okay, shall we do this? Covering more than 70% of our planet, oceans are among the Earth's most valuable natural resources. Anybody can shout out the answer? Shout out on the answer, or the first one that posts the answer on the chat. Oh, is there someone else who is coming? Everybody is in, right? There's nobody waiting outside now. Okay, correct. So there are 14 of them. 14 of you. Become or became has become. okay, has been